Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 22nd September 2021. Here I am going to start today's Amazon's amazing 5 quiz questions. Here is the main page of the Amazon, and from there to home page. Here you can find some categories. I am clicking on programs and features. In that you can see some subcategories here. I am clicking on Fun Zone where we find daily quiz questions. So Fun Zone page opened here, win prize every day. And here is today's quiz questions. Quiz time, answer and win new prize every day. Now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 am. I am going to start by clicking on play now button. And daily quiz time, answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. There is a chance to win Amazon Pay rupees 10,000. So if all 5 questions answers are correct, then only there is a chance enter the lucky draw and also a chance to win rupees 10,000 only. So I am going to start by clicking on start button. Here is the most awaiting the first quiz question of the day. Dash Day is celebrated in the UK on 1st August in honor of UK's largest country. Name it. What is the name? Here the options are Lancashire, Surrey, Gloucestershire, Yorkshire. So which one you are guessing? So whenever see the 5 questions and answers, think anyone answer in your mind, and after completion of 5 questions and with the explanation, so test yourself how many questions were right and wrong. Like that you can enhance your learning skills daily. I am adding some more info. Yorkshire, 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 formerly known as the country of York, is the historic country of northern England and the largest in the United Kingdom. It is the largest in the United Kingdom, that is UK. Yorkshire has been nicknamed God's own country. It has been nicknamed as God's own country. The emblem of Yorkshire is the white rose of the English royal house of York. Yorkshire Day, held annually on 1st August, is a celebration of the general culture of Yorkshire, ranging from its history to its own dialect. So as per the question, the correct option is the fourth one, that is Yorkshire. Yorkshire Day is celebrated in the UK on 1st August in honor of UK's largest country. So I am clicking on the fourth option, Yorkshire. So bang and came here. Now moving to the second question. Which actress born on August 5th made her Bollywood debut in the film Bekhudi? Repeating the question. Which actress born on August 5th made her Bollywood debut in the film Bekhudi? Here the options are Juhi Chawla, Kajol, Madhuri Dixit, Karishma Kapoor. Whom are you guessing? I am adding some more info. And about the Bekhudi. Bekhudi is a 1992 Indian Hindi language action drama film directed by Rahul Rawail, starring Kamal, Sadhana and Kajol in her acting debut. Its story revolves on Rohit. In that Sadhana acted as Rohit and Radhika in the leading role, Kajol acted, who is against her parents' disapproval of their relationship. This is the plot of the story. And Kajol was born on 5th August 1974. 5th August 1974 in Mumbai. She is an Indian film actress. In 2011, she was honored with Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian honor of the country by the government of India. Kajol made her acting debut with Bekhudi, that is in 1992. While still in school, she subsequently quit her studies. So as per the question, the correct option is the second one, that is Kajol. So Kajol, born on August 5th, made her Bollywood debut in the film Bekhudi, that is in 1992. So I am clicking on second option, Kajol. So keep it up came here. Now moving to the third question. In which of these sports did India win its first medal at the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic Games? Repeating the question. In which of these sports did India win its first medal at the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic Games? Here the options are table tennis, archery, shooting, badminton. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. The 2020 Summer Paralympics, branded as the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic Games, was an international multi-sport para-sports event held from 24th August to 5th September 2021 in Tokyo, Japan. They were the 16th Summer Paralympic Games as organized by the International Paralympic Committee, that is IPC, International Paralympic Committee. The table tennis player Bhavina Ben Hasmukhbhai Patel, Bhavina Ben Hasmukhbhai Patel, in short Bhavina, became the first athlete from India to reach a gold medal finals in the Paralympic Games Tokyo 2020. So as per the question, the correct option is the first one, that is table tennis. In table tennis sports, India win its first medal at the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic Games. So I am clicking on first option, table tennis. So that's right, came here. Now moving to the fourth question, and also first image. You can see here N symbol. So you can guess N for what. Which of the following was India's first original for this streaming platform? What is this streaming platform? That is Netflix. So repeating the question, which of the following was India's first original for this streaming platform? Here the options are Mirzapur, Delhi Crime, Sacred Games, Ghaul. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. Sacred Games is an Indian Hindi language crime thriller streaming television series based on Vikram Chandra's 2006 novel of the same name. India's first Netflix original series. It was produced and directed by Vikramaditya Motwane and Anurag Kashyap as Phantom Films. The novel was adapted by Varun Grover, Smita Singh and Vasantanath. So as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is Sacred Games. So Sacred Games was India's first original for this Netflix streaming platform. So I am clicking on the third option, Sacred Games. So keep it up came here. Now moving to the last question and also the second image. So which pigment causes leaves to be of this color? What is the color of the leaves? So green color. So which pigment causes leaves to be of green color. Here the options are anthocyanin, carotenoids, chlorophyll, flavonoids. So which causes the leaves to be of this green color. So those who have knowledge in biology students easily guess this one, and those who have knowledge in GK also. So I am adding some more info. Chlorophyll is any of several related green pigments found in the mesosomes of cyanobacteria and in the chloroplasts of algae and plants. Its name is derived from the Greek words chloros. The name is derived from Greek words chloros. In Greek, chloros means pale green, and phyllon. Phyllon means leaf. So chlorophyll is essential in photosynthesis, allowing plants to absorb energy from light. So as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is chlorophyll. So chlorophyll pigment causes leaves to be of this green color. So I am clicking on third option, chlorophyll. So superb, you seem to be a champion team here. So today's 5 out of 5 questions correct. So for that we got here well done as appreciation, and you are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon pay rupees 10,000, and also you can check the winners list on 23rd September 2021. Keep learning and enhance your rocking skills in GK, as well as the information which I provide every day in each GK questions. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.